Namaste beloved friends, welcome back to Beyond Traveling. This video is for you if you really want to improve your life, if you really want to change your life, something you want to manifest in your life, something you want to heal in your body, in your mind. So this video is for you. In this video, I am going to tell you one powerful mantra. The mantra is Ram. Normally you see the people going to the temple, they are worshipping the Ram, they are going to different rituals they are doing, they are saying Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram, but still they are full in the pain, they are full in the misery, in the suffering, they are in the kind of negative energies, they are abusing, they are doing all sorts of bad things because they are not using this mantra Ram in proper way. They are not imbibing the qualities of the Ram in their life. So this video is for you if you really want to change something in your life, something you want to manifest in your life. So Ram is very powerful mantra. This mantra can awaken your Kundalini Shakti, Kundalini energy if you are using it in a proper way. So have you ever wondered why during the when the Ram went to the Lanka and they make the bridge from the India to the Lanka and they wrote the in the stones, everyone wrote the name Ram and that stones was become very light and they are floating in the water. Why this happened? And why when the Hanumanji say Jai Sri Ram, he gets so much power, so much energy that he can do anything. So the Ram mantra is very powerful, but we don't know how to use this mantra. We are just following people and we are just saying the Ram without thinking, without understanding how to use this mantra properly. So this video is dedicated to the Ram mantra, how you can implement the Ram mantra in your life and how you can rise your energy, how you can heal your physical body, your mental body, and how you can become more positive in your day-to-day life, how you can become more positive, more silent, more calm, how you can become more productive in your life. So this mantra is very powerful. So now I am going to tell you the technique how you can use the mantra. So when you chant this mantra, you are saying loudly Ram. So when you are chanting the mantra, you are simply not chanting the mantra, you are feeling that the energy is rising from your base, from your Mooladhara center, from your base center, and the energy is lifting up. It's like Ram. The energy is moving from the down, the dark energy, the negative energy, and it's converting into the positive, the blissful energy, into the Ma, Ram. The tamasic energy changing into the sattvic energy, the impure energy changing into the positive energy. So when you're chanting the Ram, you feel the vibration Ram, Ram. So it's not like you are doing other tasks, you simply sitting with the closed eyes, any meditative posture, and you just doing the chanting of Ram mantra. Feel that vibration rising from your base, from your pelvis up to your crown. Ram, Ram. So this is the proper way of chanting the mantra. And if you don't have any time, try just 21 times in the morning, 21 times in the night before sleep or in the evening time, and feel within few days you will feel the difference. And if you have time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, do this chanting, just doing with the closed eyes, sitting in simple meditative pose, just chanting the Ram and feel the vibration, feel the sound and connecting to this energy of the Ram. So Ram is not a simple mantra, Ram is very powerful mantra. If you are using it correctly, if you are using it every day, you will see the difference. It's like you have to experiment. I can tell you the benefit, but once the benefit will come to you, once you understand, once you chant, and once you experiment on yourself, then you see the benefit, then you feel the changes in you. So try this. These videos are not simply just watch them and just go. You have to experiment, you have to explore this science. It's like you are kind of scientist and you are exploring this science. This is completely a scientific knowledge I am giving here. So use this mantra, not just walking or doing the Ram Ram Ram, not going to the temple doing the Ram Ram Ram. You have to sit silently, you have to close your eyes and then use the mantra Ram 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 Ram. You will see the benefit, you will feel the vibration in your entire body and mind, and your entire body, mind, everything will completely heal. So use this mantra, use this powerful mantra. So try it, and if you have any question, any doubt, anything you want to share, you are always welcome. So try it, experiment, explore this science, this Vedic science, these mantras. They are really powerful. They are the kind of keys to open many different doors, many different doors of our brain, of our mind, and you can move into the different dimension by just chanting these mantras of Ram or any other mantras. So in the future video I am going to tell you more different mantras, but you keep practicing this Ram Ram Ram, and loudly you have to chant Ram Ram. So try this, experiment this, explore this, and feel the difference. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.